He's complaining about low light here. Got one corner left to do. We got some glazing compound. It's pre-mixed. You need to kind of warm it up and heat it up a little bit. I think it's pretty soft. This can's pretty old, and they recommend you use your putty knife and that for applying it. I like just stick it in there. The finger makes less of a mess on everything else when you're doing it in the kitchen. It just makes more of a mess on your finger. You get them all in there. Oops. It's almost too dry and it's almost too cool in here. It is December. Then you're supposed to you can dampen your knife and flatten this stuff out, or kind of squish them in there. This is a really damp napkin. Kind of clean it up, and then it takes several days for this to kind of dry up, and then you're actually able to paint it with water-based paints. What that does is take this little gap in these. There's a little bit of gap in between this frame and the window sill itself. Fill that all in, and it makes it a little more solid for one thing, and it's going to keep air from traveling all the way around it. So we can flip this with one hand, kind of. You can see that there's a gap. Here. A little bit of gap in between on the side where you can still get some wiggle into it. We'll fill that in too. Let's see. Should be able to catch that. So you can see on that frame there, you see it going under it. You can't really see on top. But it takes a few minutes to go around. It's pretty affordable for your silicones. It's easier to clean up, really. But mainly it's just affordable. I think I got this whole can for $1. Actually got it at Goodwill, but it's only a couple bucks, maybe $3 for a new can. I've done, I think, 8 windows with it, and these have got some gaps in them too. They were actually done pretty well. I didn't build them, so well, yeah, it just takes a little more time. It'll touch up with some paint in a couple days and be looking better than new. Nice and airtight.